Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at an official tournament Star Trek customizable card game sealed deck from Decipher. These were used in tournaments and you had to use what was in the box. That's why it's sealed and wrapped. Now, these contain 20 exclusive cards that supposedly only come in these boxes. So we're encouraged to go to the tournaments that way. Let's see what else it says on the box. Here we got, contains 20 Black Border Premium cards exclusive to this product, 4 Premium 15 card expansion packs, Alternative Universe 15 card expansion, a collectible card storage box, and rules clarifications. So let's get right into it and make everyone else's copy of this more valuable. Because I'm going to open it and see what's inside. So I know you're saying, what's in the box? Well, it's not Gwyneth Paltrow, but we're going to find out. Alright, I'm going to use a cutter to open this. Don't try that at home, kids. Get a grown-up to assist you or somebody responsible. Alright. Looks like we've got a Romulan box. Alright, this outer box is pretty garbage, so we're going to put that aside. It's got the Star Trek logo on it. It's actually a really nice box. It's way nicer than I expected. It's supposed to hold 300 cards, too. Yeah, it's nothing fancy, just cardboard, but it's pretty decent quality. Okay, we've got a little sheet here and some packs. Let's put the box aside. Alright, the official tournament sealed deck customizable card game. It's got the different boxes pictured. Looks like there's 6 of them, if I can count, which is a 50-50 sometimes. Alright, so it's just got kind of like a ads on that side, and order your limited edition Fajo collection today. Yep, this is just some sort of order form. And then it's got rules notes on one little section hidden among the ads. That's it. That's your whole rules clarification right there. Everything else is advertising. So let's put that aside. We've got booster, deck, and the alternate universe limited edition 15 card expansion set. So that's a booster pack from the newer expansion that was coming out from alternate universe. Otherwise, you just get 5 boosters and this little thing of cards. Let's see what these are though, because that's the interesting part. These are probably our exclusives, I would hope. Alright, we've got a dilemma, unscientific method. Assassin kills most cunning science personnel present who does not have greed or treachery. Huh. Alright, so we've got that dilemma. Then we've got an impose order, which is a pre-unified world, unified diverse nation states via coercion and occupation. We've got dilemma, make us go. We've got Suna, he's security. He's got medical, treachery, once per game may download reflection therapy. Ooh, we've got dilemma, Armus, sticky situation. That's the episode that Tasha Yar died in. For you that don't know that. Mineral surgery. Objective, reflection therapy. Dilemma / event, hide and seek. Husnak, outpost. Investigative Incursion, Doorway, Space Door, Event, Treaty, Federation, Romulan Klingon, Establish Relations, that planet, Dilemma, Hippocratic Oath, Darmok class ship, range 7, weapons 8, shield 7, Test propulsion systems, Objective, open diplomatic relations, Explore interstellar matter, Doorway, space-time portal, always a bad day, Dilemma, abandoned ship. Yeah, these are from '98. The cards have held up really well. They are nice quality. Decipher made good cards most of the time. So, yeah, that's what's in the little pack. We've got 5 boosters then. I can understand if you don't want to watch me open 5 boosters, but we're going to anyway. So if you just wanted to see what the special cards were, that's what they are. But in the meantime, I'm going to open the other cards. So I'm going to move these aside. And we're going to look at the alternate universe cards first. Alright, we've got Interrupt, Romulan Ambush, Dilemma, Mammon Picard, Dilemma, Parallel Romance, Barrelingoff Rasmussen, Interrupt, Foragers, Event, The Mask of Corgano, Event, Particle Scatterfield, Interrupt, Kevin Uxbridge, Convergence, Event, Rashawn Uxbridge, Interrupt, Eyes in the Dark, Doorway, Alternate Universe Doorway, Dilemma, Punishment Zone, that sounds pleasant, Interrupt, Destroy Radioactive Garbage Scow, Dilemma, Conundrum, and Dilemma, Hunter Gangs. Alright, so that's our alternate universe deck, our pack rather, pretty interesting. And now we'll check out our 4 packs here. These are white border, whereas this was black border. So we've got an event, the Traveler Transcendence, Toral VIP, Dilemma, Nitrum Metal Parasites, Romulan Officer Aladar Jarak, another Romulan Engineer, Paltheth, Romulan Security Towel, Runabout, Dilemma, Menthar Booby Trap, Event, Subspace Warp Rift, Interrupt, Scan, Event, Treaty Federation Romulan, Event, QNet, Event, Espionage Romulan on Federation, the USS Oberth, Dilemma, Impassable Door. Cool. So it looks like you got some Romulan stuff going in there. Let's see about the second pack. We've got Bael, Civilian, Dilemma, Plague Ship, Tapan, Science Federation, looks like a mercenary, Roga Dinar, Security, USS Oberth, Oberth class, Impassable Door, another one, Event, Where No Man Has Gone Before, Dilemma, Male's Love Interest, an Excavation Planet, Study Stellar Collision, Cedo Jackson Security Federation, Event, Tetran Field. A shuttle of some kind. I can't pronounce that. Atmospheric ionization event. A Romulan science vessel science class. Pack number 3. Alright, we've got a Taurus Science Romulan Officer, an Event Federation Romulan Treaty, Interrupt Scan, an Equipment Romulan Pad, Runabout Federation, Tall Security, Interrupt Emergency Transporter Armbands, Interrupt Disruptor Overload, can't talk. Interrupt Subspace Interference. Simon Terrace Medical Federation. Event Plasma Fire. Then we've got Investigate Disappearance in some corridor. Sarin Science. Interrupt Incoming Message Romulan. And lastly, we have Evac, a Cardassian officer. So let's see what's in our last pack here. Alright, we've got an event, an alien probe, Corral, a civilian, a Klingon. That's the first Klingon card we've seen. Dilemma, Birth of Junia. Thomas Riker, Federation Officer. Bajik, Officer, Klingon. Thai, Officer, Romulan. Jera, Medical Officer, Romulan. Golathon, Romulan Officer. Equipment, Romulan Disruptor. Event, Plasma Fire. Interrupt, Ship Seizure. Dilemma, Female Love Interest. Interrupt, Subspace Interference. Interrupt, Disruptor Overload. And Taurin, Klingon Science. So you get 4 packs to build your deck with. 1 pack of the Black Border from the Alternate Universe set. And those exclusive cards that were only available in this box. And the box is pretty nice. I have to say I'm actually really more impressed with the quality of this box than I am with the cards I got. But the exclusive cards are pretty nice. They look like they'd be fun to play with in a tournament or in regular play. As you can see, a couple of these are from the Voyager series. And they tell you which series the event or a thing happened in, which is kind of cool. So you got Next Generation, there's some Voyager, there's probably some Deep Space Nine in there too, I don't know. But yeah, pretty interesting. The box is pretty nice quality. I recommend checking those out if you're into Star Trek, because they do hold 300 cards, so you can get quite a bit in there. But that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time on What's Inside.